learning deadlines were a
We
nightmare.
went well beyond our budget.
Failures aren't uncommon in software development. Actually, 45% of corporate software projects are developed over budget, and most of them fail, with estimates varying from 50 to almost 90% across multiple industries. While for many, this is a reality, you'd better get comfortable in the software engineering industry. There's still a far better way to spend your time and money than creating crappy software, like getting started with the elaboration phase, for example.
Elaboration is a paid project phase that gets you fully prepared for the development of your software project. The elaboration gives you a full documentation package that describes your idea and technical stack, software architecture, and third-party services that you need to use and how to use it safely. You can use the deliverables to start your software development project with us or with any other partner you choose. In any case, this is a zero-risk situation for you.
Elaboration phase is oftentimes skipped as it's seen as an extra cost item, while in reality, it is a cost-saving item.
Shortly, what elaboration is for. First of all, to create a project scope and collect all the requirements. Next, to create a software architecture document and define an appropriate technical stack. Create a team composition and ramp-up plan. Identify risks and create a mitigation plan for them. Create a precise budget and estimation and timeline. This is what you pay for when you go for the elaboration phase.
Another benefit of the elaboration phase is that it unites senior experts and thought leaders of the company to make it for you. Let's have a look at the standard composition of the elaboration team. Project manager, business analyst, lead QA engineer, lead developer, DevOps engineer, designer. They are all engaged in intensive research so that your software development endeavor ends up as planned, with benefits you expect.
One cannot always have such a rockstar team for the project. Clients usually skimp on a good half of those positions for the sake of cost saving. But elaboration is different. While it may seem like a splurge during the actual development phase, it's a non-negotiable for the elaboration.
Last but not least, it's the actual deliverables that are of the most importance for the client.
Something that you can bring back home. It's a complete set of project documentation. Clear, detailed, consistent.
After the elaboration is done, you end up with a full project documentation package, which includes vision and scope, software requirements specifications, software architecture document, proof of concept, mockups, and more. However, is the elaboration a guarantee of success? It does reduce risks for the project that's worth the shot, but what's more important, it may help you abort a no-goer at the start, when little time and money was yet spent on the idea that was never to take off.
Everybody makes mistakes. We have learned a lot from our clients' stories, and we are absolutely willing to share that knowledge with you. Because the earlier you start incorporating that experience on your software development journey, the better. Whenever possible, don't learn it the hard way. Mistakes are too costly in the software development world.